Hello all, today we are going to learn easy drawings by using shapes. First, draw two circles. On the top, draw a small circle and inside the small circle put two dots. And draw inside hexagonal shape which having 6 sides. Now extend 6 lines outwards. On the top right corner, draw a oval shape. On the bottom, draw 2 oval shape. Make sure about the orientation. Now our turtle is ready. It's time for coloring. Draw a circle and inside one small circle. Now join these two circles with lines. I'm using here curved lines. Our ball is ready. It's time for coloring. Moving on to the next diagram, draw a circle. On the top, draw one rectangular shape and extend 2 lines on the top. Then one more line, shade it. On the center, put a dot. Top, you write number 12. On the bottom, you write number 6. Then at the right corner, write 3. Then at the left corner, write number 9. Now draw one small line. At the end, draw an arrow mark and one more big arrow mark. And in between the number, draw 2 lines. Now our clock is ready. Start coloring. Next, we are move on to the next diagram. Draw a circle and draw one more inner circle at the bottom. Put a dot and give shades. And extend one line. Draw W. Draw oval shape for eyes and give shades. Then at the top, draw one more semicircle on the both sides. Draw one inner semicircle. Now our teddy bear outline is ready. Give color. Moving on to the next diagram, draw a circle and inside the circle draw one spiral. Then extend a small curve like this. Then draw a straight line. Next step, draw a curve which joins the line. Draw a curve on the top, put 2 dots. This gives the eyes of the snail. Now our snail outline is ready and it's time for coloring. Next, we are moving on to the interesting facts of turtle. Turtles are reptiles. Many turtle species can hide their heads inside their shells when they are attacked by predators. Turtles are cold-blooded animals. Turtles lay eggs in the sand and leave them to hatch on their own. Next, we are going to see about snails. There are 3 types of snails: land snails, sea snails and freshwater snails. Mostly snails are herbivorous, eat leaves, vegetables, stem and flower. Common garden snail have a top speed of 45 meters per hour. Enjoy drawing. Practice makes man perfect. Hope you like the video. If If you like the video, like, share and subscribe us. Thanks for watching.